Hello, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Thing. This is Quick and Easy Meals hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and myself. Today I decided to make vegetable lasagna. Okay, we'll get our filling mixed up real good. From there, I grab a plate. And then I take our cabbage out of the water. And it's like this. Then I just take the leaves off. And remove the leaves. Okay, here is our cabbage leaves. And I didn't say this, but I cool them. I run the head under cold water before I pull them apart. And then wrap and wrap. And then I'm going in up to the pan. And the pan, I have homemade spaghetti sauce, but you can use a can of just regular store-bought. But I had the tomatoes and the fresh herbs and garlic and the fresh onions and everything to make sauce. So I just made a pan of sauce in the crock pot. And when I make these, the good thing is these can freeze. These freeze really well. And I freeze them up. For later. Some of my leaves are small, so I just put two leaves on them and wrap them. And then just keep going because I got 3 heads of cabbage to do. Okay, here is our container of cabbage rolls. And then I pour over my spaghetti sauce. This equals, I know I made mine from scratch, but it equals 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. And then you just take a spoon, get it spread out over the top. Then this is the small pieces of cabbage that's in the center of your It's too small to really wrap into cabbage rolls. I just lay that on the top. And then I bake it at 350.